Hello and welcome to Concept Nova Talk Room, the podcast where we explore innovative solutions that can transform the way businesses operate. I'm your host, Chemere Chinidu, and today we'll be talking about fuel system maintenance and tips for vehicle owners. Whether you're a seasoned driver or new to vehicle ownership, these tips will help you keep your fuel system in top shape, ensuring optimal performance and longevity for your car. So let's view up on some knowledge. First off, let's understand why maintaining your fuel system is so important. The fuel system is responsible for storing and supplying fuel to the engine. A well-maintained fuel system ensures your engine gets the right amount of fuel for combustion, leading to better performance, fuel efficiency, and reduced emissions. Now, here are some essential tips to keep your fuel system running smoothly. The first tip we have is regular fuel filter replacement. The fuel filter prevents dirt, rust, and other contaminants from entering your engine. Over time, it can become clogged, restricting fuel flow and causing poor engine performance. Always check your owner's manual for the recommended replacement interval, usually every 20,000 to 40,000 miles. The next tip we have is for you to use high-quality fuel. Always opt for high-quality fuel from reputable stations. Poor quality fuel can contain impurities that may damage your fuel system components. Additionally, consider using fuel additives occasionally to clean your fuel injectors and improve combustion efficiency. The next one we have is keep your fuel tank full. Try to keep your fuel tank at least a quarter full at all times. Running on low fuel can cause sediment at the bottom of the tank to get sucked into the fuel pump, leading to blockage and damages. Plus, it helps prevent condensation, which can lead to rusting inside the tank. Next we have is for you to inspect fuel lines regularly. Check the fuel lines for signs of wear, cracks, or leaks. Damaged fuel lines can lead to fuel leaks, posing a fire hazard and reducing fuel efficiency. If you notice any issues, get them repaired immediately. Next we have is for you to schedule regular maintenance. Regular checkups by professional mechanical can help identify potential issues before they become major problems. Ensure your mechanic inspects the entire fuel system, including the fuel pump, injectors, and pressure regulator. Now, let's talk about a cutting-edge solution that takes fuel management to the next level, and that is Concept Nova's fuel control system. This state-of-the-art telematic solution puts control of both stationary and mobile assets in your hands, allowing you to save costs, maintain profitability, and meet rising business demands. With Concept Nova Fuel Management Solution, you can detect leakage challenges due to perforations and faulty hardware. Also monitoring, auditing, and reporting diesel usage trends for accountability purposes. By integrating this innovative system into your fuel management strategy, you can achieve unparalleled control and efficiency, ensuring your vehicle or fleet operates smoothly and cost effectively. Now visit our website at concept-nova.com/solutions/fuel control system to learn more and get started. Thank you for tuning in into this episode. I hope this fuel system maintenance tips and introduction to Concept Nova's fuel control system have been so helpful. Remember, taking care of your fuel system is essential for your vehicle's performance and longevity. Until next time, drive safe and keep your engines running smoothly. If you enjoyed this episode, do not forget to subscribe and leave us a review. Have a great day, everyone.